Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own wipe-on polyurethane for 1/3 of the price of this Minwax pre-made version. And we're starting right now. If you've been woodworking very long, you've probably noticed that there are a lot of different finish choices available on the market. From oils to high gloss finishes, the possibilities are kind of limitless. However, for me personally, wipe-on polyurethane tends to be what I tend to go to most of the time. The beauty of wipe-on polyurethane is that it's simple, it's easy to use, it doesn't have long wait times between coats, and it doesn't require a brush. This wipe-on polyurethane here from Minwax is available at most big box stores. You can also pick it up even sometimes at Walmart. It runs about $14.98, but I think we can do better. So we're gonna need two different ingredients. First of all, we're gonna need just some regular polyurethane, and then also we're gonna need mineral spirits. The main stipulation being that you need to make sure that the polyurethane that you choose is an oil-based and not water-based. Next, we're gonna get a mason jar, and we're gonna use this to mix it up in. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and take the lid off of our polyurethane, and we're gonna stir it up. Now, the key here is to stir it. We don't want to actually shake it. If you shake it, it will cause a lot of bubbles, and that's not good. Once we've got it stirred up good, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our mixture and we're gonna make it a 50-50 mixture of mineral spirits and polyurethane. There's not really an exact science to this, other than we're gonna try to not make a mess. Go about there. Then we're just gonna take our mineral spirits, same thing. Okay. And now that we have done that, we can actually shake this. So this thins it down, and so we don't have the problem with the air bubbles like we did before. Typically when you apply wipe-on polyurethane, you're going to be putting on multiple coats. It's not uncommon to do 5 or 6 coats because they're going on a lot thinner. Like I said a minute ago, this is not an exact science. Some people choose to go ahead and do less polyurethane at the beginning and more mineral spirits, and then as they get further on in the finish process, they get toward their final coats, they do more polyurethane and less mineral spirits. So here's the cost savings breakdown when it comes down to it. This polyurethane here runs about $12.82, and it's 32 ounces. The mineral spirits here was about $7.97. It also is the same amount, it's 32 ounces. So when we take this and as we use this, we will actually get 64 ounces of product out of this. This can of wipe-on polyurethane is about $14.98, but it's only 16 ounces. So to get 64 ounces of product, we're gonna have to have 4 of these. When we do the math on that, that runs us about 60 bucks to be able to get the same amount that we're gonna get with this right here. So when it comes down to it, and we've got $60 versus $20, it's kind of a no-brainer. Now, with all of that being said, there's a couple of things to think about here. If you got a lot of projects going on, this makes sense. But if you just got one project, I still think you're probably better off to just use this and move on. We've used that for years and years and years because I didn't realize that it was this simple to make wipe-on polyurethane. And if you're not sure how to apply wipe-on polyurethane, I've got a video queued up for you right here that'll tell you all about it.